Part 3, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. We rode and my cousin Murad sang. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country where, at least according to some of our neighbors we belonged, we let the horse run as long as it felt like running. Now they both rode and his cousin Murad sang. And for all anybody knew, we were still in the countryside. And then they said they were still in the old countryside, means in the old villages where they lived. That area was there. And so they let the horse run as long as it felt like running. उन्होंने चलने दिया horse को. At last my cousin Murad said, "Get down. I won't ride alone." "Will you let me ride alone?" I asked. "That is up to the horse," my cousin said. "Get down." "The horse will let me ride," I said. "We shall see," he said. "Don't forget that I have a way with the horse." Now Murad, he says, "Don't forget I have a way." Way means he is very proud. He says, "मुझे आता है कैसे horse को deal किया जाता है." It means that he has a particular talent to deal with the horses. Well, I said, "Anyway, you have with the horse, I have also." अरम ने कहा, अगर तुम्हें तरीका आता है उनको संभालने का, मुझे भी आता है. "For the sake of your safety," he said, "let us hope so." Then he says, okay, this is just because he was saying for the sake of his safety. Get down. All right, I said. But remember, you have got to let me try to ride alone. So Murad tells him to get down. I got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, "Wazire, run." And Wazire, he talks to the horse. He says, the horse stood on its hind legs means back legs. वो एकदम खड़ा हो जाता है, as you have seen in the picture. And then he snorted means a sudden force of breath वो देता है, and burst into fury of speed. और एकदम से वो एकदम extreme हरी में आ जाता है, speed में आ जाता है. That was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. And Aram says that it was the loveliest thing when he gave him a big speed. My cousin Murad raced the male horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, crossed the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later returned dripping wet. Now the cousin Murad, he raced the horse, he fast running, he took the horse to the dry grass, a field of a dry grass, towards the irrigation ditch, जहाँ पे बड़े बड़े गड्ढे खुदे हुए थे. He crossed the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later he turned dripping wet. Dripping means extremely गीला होकर वो आता है. The sun was coming up. "Now it's my turn to ride," I said. Now Aram said that it was his turn. My cousin Murad got off the horse. "Ride," he said. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. And then he jumped to the back of the horse and he became fearful. The horse did not move. "Kick into his muscles," my cousin Murad said. "What are you waiting for? We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about." And then Murad tells him, kick into his muscles, then only the horse will start. And then he tells him that before anybody gets up, they have to hide the horse. I kicked into the muscles of the horse. Once again, it reared and snorted. Once again, the horse reared means it raised and snorted. Same, he gave a forceful breath and then it began to run. I didn't know what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dikran Halebian, where it began to leap over vines. And instead of running across the field, it went to the vineyard of Dikran Halebian. And it began to jump over the vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines. और horse ने 7 vines को jump किया, plantations को jump किया before he fell. Then it continued running. My cousin Murad came running down the road. "I am not worried about you," he shouted. "We have got to get that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly. I'll be near." And then Murad gave him instructions. They have to search the horse. घोड़ा भाग चुका है. He says, "You go this way, I go that way," and then they will catch it. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field towards the irrigation ditch. And he continued down the road to search for the horse, and Murad went towards the ditch. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. "All right," he said, "jump on. The whole world is awake now." उसने कहा सारी दुनिया उठ गई है. "What we will do?" I said. Well, he said, "We'll either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning." तो उसे बताता है कि या तो हम इसे विल टेक हिम बैक, या तो इसे वापस ले जाएंगे वाइन यार्ड्स में, या फिर उसको कल तक छुपाना पड़ेगा. He didn't sound worried, and I knew he would hide him and not take him back. और अरम को लगा कि मुराद बिल्कुल भी वरीड नहीं है, वो उसे छुपा देगा. Not for a while at any rate. किसी भी रेट पर वो वरीड नहीं था. Where will we hide him? I said. I know a place, he said. How long did you steal this horse? I said. It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. And then it dawned. Dawn means it occurred to Aram that he had been taking all these early morning rides nicely, and today only he came to Aram because he knew that he also liked it. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. उसने कहा कि कौन कह रहा है कि मैंने स्टील किया है. Anyhow, I said. How long did you begin riding every morning? अरम ने उससे पूछा कि तुम कितने दिन से राइड कर रहे हो. Not until this morning, he said. Are you telling the truth? I said. Of course not, he said. But if we are found out, that's what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. तो मुराद उसे कहता है, of course, but अगर हम पकड़े गए तो हम लायर्स कहलाएंगे. एंड देन ऑल यू नो, और तो उसे कहता है कि हमें सिर्फ ये कहना है कि वी जस्ट स्टार्ट राइडिंग दिस मॉर्निंग. ऑल राइट, आई सेड. ही वॉक द हॉर्स quietly to the barn of a deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fedvezian. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the barn. And then he walked the horse very quietly to the barn of a deserted vineyard. एक lonely vineyard है जो कि एक barn बना था. Barn is a place where the grains are kept. It's a large building on a farm in which animals and their feed are kept. एक लोनली सा वाइनयार्ड था, वहाँ पे उस फार्मर ने बनाया हुआ था अपना बाण, और वो एक फार्मर फेडवेजियन का था. वहाँ पे कुछ ओट्स भी पड़े हुए थे और कुछ अल्फाल्फा प्लांट्स थे. वी बिगैन वॉकिंग होम. उन्होंने उसको वहाँ पर टाई किया. देन दे बिगैन वॉकिंग होम. It wasn't easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely. And then Murad was telling him वो इतना आसान नहीं होता घोड़े को अच्छे से behave कराना. At first it wanted to run wild, but as I have told you, I have a way with the horse. और फिर वो उसे बताता है कि मुझे वे आता है. पहले तो वो वाइल्ड था. I can get it to want to do anything I want to do. And then he tells him कि अब मैं उसे वो करा सकता हूँ जो मैं चाहता हूँ. Horses understand me. मुराद उसे बड़े प्यार से कहता है कि अब horses उसको जानने लगे हैं.